Okay, we're live. Okay. Hey, we're live. Okay, we're live. Okay. Yeah, everything is good. Let's get it. Okay, so go to the weekly. You can see right over here, we're on weekly time. We're going from weekly IRL to ERL, weekly IRL to ERL, going from IRL to ERL in the weekly time frame. Weekly CRT to the downside, go to the daily here. On the daily, we're going from a daily. We don't have no CRT. Just skip this away. We're going from a daily. We go from a daily. We don't have no news today, right? Let me see if you have any news today. No news today. No, there's no news tomorrow. There's no news Wednesday. Only Thursday we got the news. Okay. We got our high top and buys here already. All right, we got that. So on the weekly time frame, we're going from weekly. On the weekly time frame, we're going from weekly CRT to the downside, weekly IRL to ERL. Daily, we're going from IRL to ERL. So weekly IRL to ERL, daily IRL to ERL. So our objective for the week is to go here until, if it does go there, we're looking for a midweek reversal / midweek consolidation / reversal. So from the weekly time frame right now, what we're looking at is weekly IRL to ERL, weekly CRT to the downside. So we're looking for sales, right? On the daily IRL to ERL. 17 o'clock open, 13 o'clock close. On the 4-hour time frame, what do we have here? It looks like we're having a delayed protection profile. You see right over here, market pressure, the CRT high right over here. Eventually, the CRT high led to the press down, to the downside. So we have a delayed protection profile. So I'm looking for near to continue to move to the downside. Looking for a near continuation to the downside here. We're going from a euro to IRL. Nope. Hello, Taki. What's good? My boy Peter Nanganga. Nanganga. So on the 4-hour time frame, I'm looking for a delayed position profile because you can see 17 o'clock is the CRT, which is not the CRT. This is right up here, the CRT, which already hit take profit. So if you're a session, you would have probably catch this trade already. You would probably be already in the trade here. Yeah, you would have been in the trade. Yeah, so you would have caught this trade if you were a London session, but in my case, I don't trade London, so I've not been in that trade. And the take profit already get hit, so yeah, let's see from here on in. Okay, so now we got that. We got our 4-hour key level right over here. We got the 5 a.m. CRT. So on the weekly, once again, we're going from a weekly IRL to ERL, weekly CRT to the downside. We go from a daily IRL to ERL. So we're looking for sales. So daily aligned with the weekly, and weekly is to the downside. So we're both looking for sales. On the 4-hour time frame is where we're building our narrative here. Do we have a swing? Do we have range high, range low? This is our range low right over here. But has that range high get purged? Yeah, this range high did get purged. This could be considered as a devil purge or something like that. Double purge, right? But in my case, in my eyes, I don't see it as a no ranges here today. So you can see low range low got purged. This is a swing low right over here. Boom, boom. Market made a premium discount from this low to this high. But do we have any ranges that we have? Do we have any range that got souped here? Nope, does not look like it. Okay, so we're going based out of just out of no ranges, just going normal. Oh, we do got a premium size discount array. This is premium. There's a discount. So our fair value gap is on a premium. In premium, as you guys know, you want to be selling. This right over here should be deleted because that's the monthly. Shit with the monthly right now. But once we get it here to, I think tomorrow, Wednesday, once we're around here, this is when I'm looking to go to this monthly low. So I'm looking to extend my take profit. But this is what I'm looking for today. So what else do we have here? We already have a 4-hour kilowatt of 4-hour CRT. We're looking for a normal potential pro. Are we looking for a neo continuation? So weekly IRL to ERL, daily IRL to ERL, both aligning to the downside. So now using 4 hours to build narrative. Now let's go to daily profile. Weekly profile, I don't know what it's going to be until the next couple of days. Until Thursday, I don't know what's a weekly profile would it be. Wednesday should be the way. Wednesday should be a like a kindest way to tell me what a weekly profile would be. But this week, or as of right now, I don't know. So, but we do know what's going to be what type of profile would it be for the day, right? Today it looks like to be a delayed position profile where agent session makes the high of the day because we're bearish, right? Weekly CRT to the downside, weekly IRL to ERL, daily IRL to ERL, right? We're bearish, right, on a higher time frame. Our agent session right over here made the high of the day, which is the 5 p.m. CRT. Why do we not care about this? Why do we not care about this right over here to be a CRT or not? Because you can see this could be a SMT right over here. You can see 17 o'clock, 17 o'clock and 21 o'clock. 17 o'clock was what? A CRT. 9 o'clock was what? A manipulation. What was 1 a.m. purging, right? So this was the SMT. This SMT here, and there's no SMT here. Just market is dead, right? But how come it's just a delayed petition profile right over here? Because we were already in a CRT here. Right? You can see we were already in a CRT high got purged and CRT low got purged, right? So we were already in a CRT. So this delayed petition profile wouldn't have not really mattered as much. So on our daily profiling, our London and Asian, so our Asian made the high of the day. So we're looking for a delayed protection profile, whereas but we do have an SMT here, SMT as well. We're looking for a New York continuation because for New York there's only two type of profile: reversal or continuation. For bearish, we're looking for New York continuation because in this case market is going down, right? So we're looking for a New York continuation. For bullish, we're looking for a New York reverse, right? In this case, I'm looking for a New York continuation, so I'm looking for the market to go down, right? This right over here, this candle right over here, A session, the 5 p.m. or the 9 p.m. The 5 p.m. especially made the high of the day, so I'm looking for longs here, right? I'm looking for a delay position profile, and I'm looking for a near continuation to the downside since I'm bearish in a higher time frame. We as well have a premium discount array. This is premium region, the discount region. So in premium, we want to sell, and discount, we want to buy, right? And we want to get away from these thoughts, the negative thoughts we have. We want to get it away, right? And we have a 4-hour key level, which is right over there. And as well, we do have our hourly key level as well here for the 8 a.m. candle. This right over here, the 7 a.m. could be our considered as our CRT because you know what I'm saying. He's the biggest candle. This right here we don't really care about because this goes against our high time frame. So yeah, that's that. And there's no ranges. We do have a premium discounted right here. Do we have a daily range? What else do we have here? Nothing else. This is it. The hourly time frame, do we have any hourly key level here? We do have hourly key level, which is provided. Yeah, okay. Okay, anything else? Nope, that's it. And yeah, so our daily profile, we're looking for near continuation. Our other narrative we have is weekly IRL to ERL, weekly, daily IRL to ERL, weekly shifting to the downside. We're in a premium. Our CRT is in a premium, so that's a good spot to sell. And premium want to sell, and but a discount want to buy. We don't have ranges here, and that's it. Now, one last thing I forgot about is market profiling. Right, market open. Straight away went to a reversal. Straight away went to a reversal, retracement, expansion, retracement, expansion. So retracement, another expansion happened. Eventually, we could have a reversal here, tapping the ski level. Eventually, from here on in, another reversal, or we could do this: trace, tap another key level, expand, right? Or reverse, tap another key level, reversal again, retracement, expansion, right? Same, the two of the same concept here. And yeah, let's get this week going here. Let's get this week popping off. And what's our auto flow here? I forgot about the auto flow. Market has not tapped any weekly key level, so we're looking. Our order flow is still bearish. Market order flow just from here, reject the high, broke to the low, reject to the high, breaking to the low. So you can see market rejecting the highs and breaking to the lows, right? Our order flow is overall bearish, and that's that. Nothing else. We might as well get a hourly share to here, if possible. We're just waiting here. What's your $1 billion mission? My $1 billion mission is sucking dirt pussy. What's your plan for the day? I'm looking for sales, man. Sales looking great today. Let me give you the explanation today. Let me give you my bias. My bias is bearish. How my bias bearish? The weekly IRL to ERL, weekly CRT to the downside, daily IRL to ERL right over here. We're not going to this because this candle is overtaking the middle candle. So weekly, daily IRL to ERL, 4 hour. We're going from a 4 hour. For the 4 hour time frame, we're building other negatives here. 4 hours here. We have a 4 hour daily range. You see right here, the low, the swing low to the swing high right over here. So we do have this daily range right over here. Premiums discount. We want to sell in a premium, right? We want to buy in discount, and our entry is somewhere going to be around right here. It's going to be above the premiums. It's going to be above the. It's going to be around the premium region. So we're looking. We're good to sell around the premium region. We're good to buy on a discount. So our selling is going to be around here, which is in premium. So it's good to sell around there, right? So I know that's another narrative. We have this 4 hour kilo, which you can see for value right over here. For our key level is our other narrative right over there. Other thing we have is we might have an hourly entry here as well. We have an hourly CRT right over here. Market might tap the hourly fair value gap. Eventually from our hourly fair value gap slash hourly possibly we're gonna push back down and continue to the downside right over here. But if it's not for me a 2RR, I'm not taking it. And that's my narrative. And other than that, what do I have else? I don't have no weekly profile until Wednesday. But my daily profiling, I'm looking for a new continuation because I'm bearish. You can see A session made the high of the day. And there was a SMT right over here with this correlated pair, SMT. You can see the correlated pair. So I'm looking for sales here. And what else do we have here is we do have this other candle that this can. So these candles really matter because board market already present on the CRT. So we're looking for a near continuation because I'm bearish. And yeah, that's what I'm looking for, my boy. As well, I'm going to put down this level as well. Oops. We as well have this Basel liquidity, which is inside fair value gap, so it's cool. So gonna regardless get that as well here. What's good, my boy? Dumb money. Oh, this thing. Ah, let's hope this nigga get pushed out. Any trades to invest in? But at the moment, right now, no. I gotta wait until I get more practicing going on here. Bro, I took a sell during Asia because MSS happened in 15-minute time frame close in the 4 CRT low. Yes, sir, ski. That's good. That's good. That's good. For Christmas, man, I ain't got nothing planned. I do have a giveaway for Christmas right now, which is already in playing. If you guys are sharing your trades, you should be inside that giveaway. So yeah. My boy MD Taming. I do see at this you hold it to all over here. Hey, that's a good RR right there, man. Sir. What was your entry, brother? I do see as well. I mean, you could have entered. Yeah, you could have entered right during the agent session. Yeah, you could see just hit TP this session. Yeah, this is where would have been your entry, right? You're right on agent session gonna be your entry, right? Right over here. Right over there. More than 5 hour. I took a trade in 15-minute auto block. Yeah, I see this right over here, 15-minute auto block. I mean, yours might be a little bit different, but this right over here would have been my entry because this would have been based out of CRT, nothing else. I would have not entered out of a random auto block. You can see this auto block overall got respected, right? You can see this one over here. If you would have entered out of this auto block, you would have got a stop loss, right? So that's why this auto block matters the most, right? But I don't trade international, so I just trade during New York. I'm trying to get a higher probability, right? Because this right over here will not probably happen again for the next couple. It's not gonna happen to the next while, right? Yeah, 7.3 RR. Yeah, Sersky. This is why. This is. I was thinking of the same thing, right? As you were, right? I see it on Asian, right? You could see. I was like, this should be a no. It should be a delayed potential profile because of how it was an RDS CRT there. So delayed potential profile was like saying coded over there. Should we should we take a trade during the Asian? I mean, the probabilities are way less because, as you know, time is more important than price. In this case, hey, sometimes it might give you a good setup, sometimes it might not, right? But overall, in the next thousand of trades you're gonna take in Asian, most of them are gonna be low probability session. That's why I told you guys to focus on time rather than taking trades on random time, right? But that would have been a good time to take it. But I mean, think about it. For the next 100 trades you're gonna take, most are gonna be losses because Asian does not, agents are kind of hard to trade. In my case, because the time is bad because it's supposed to be used. Usually, it's supposed to be used for for ranges. So a lot of manipulation will happen. You can see in this case, there was SMT. You can see SMT right over here. If it's 5 p.m. and 9 p.m., because it's CRT, eventually push down, right? So that would be a normal, that would be delayed position profile, delayed position profile. You said when the RR is great, is the only time you take the trade. Yes, Sirski. It is. Hey, I mean, you could do that as well. I mean, it's all up to you how you feel. You know what I'm saying? I can't tell you nothing, right? I can't tell you how to trade, right? You know how to fish yourself. You know what I'm saying? You know how to fish yourself. But just gotta keep in mind that time is more important than price. Times of the day, times of the no, times of the day is important. Times of the day of the week is important. That's why they said do not trade the day before a high major news because time, right? The day before high major news are usually saying not good projection and usually meant for manipulation. Cause you guys are, this is different, right? You guys could be looking at the market throughout the whole day. Chat, listen. Right after this stream, like right after this trading session, which after I end my stream, right? I don't take no more trades, right? After that, I don't look at the market until I'm making. Look. I don't look at the market until the next trading session, which is the whole next day, or I'm making a YouTube video. If I make a YouTube video, I'm gonna go in a chart and do some analysis, so I can get a YouTube a video idea, like, you know, what's cooking today, what should look for today, right? What type of video could we make? What type of educational lesson we could make, right? If it's not one of those scenarios, I don't look at the chart at all. I don't even care what the market. Because after, like, you know what I'm saying, you're like, after trading session, your time matters the most, right? Thanks, bro. I'll consider in the future. Yeah, bro. Yes, sir, Ski. That's a lot of profits right there, man. More than 5 hour. That's a lot of profits, bro. You don't want to lose that. You don't want to lose that. Trust me. Okay, so market's gonna give us this other CRT right over here, then. Because if you, I don't know if you're a CRT trader, but it looks like you are, right? If you're a CRT trader, your time matters the most. Your time matters a lot. The time matters a lot. That's why you can see when I mark out these ranges high, I want to mark out this high, right? It's timed, right? You can see 5 a.m. is timed range, right? Right over here. And this is a good time range. This right over here, this candle, these two candles are really good time of the timed range CRT, right? Which is very nice. I think CRTs only happened when the candle closes in the previous candle's wick. You think CRT only happens? Nah, you gotta look deeper, man. Are you new to CRT or what, brother? Are you new to CRT? Hey, one thing I gotta say to you, my boy MD Timing. Please don't trade CRT without a logic, bro. Don't trade CRT patternly, bro. Trust me. Build a logic, build a pattern. Don't build a pattern. I mean, you could do whatever you like, right? But don't trade it as a pattern, bro. Just don't trade as a pattern. That's all I'm gonna say, man. Wait, market just pushed out the CRT high. I'm kind of confused on this now. Are we in this CRT or in this CRT, man? All I'm gonna say, man, don't risk of pattern trading. This trade right over here that you took right to the downside on intention. Well, you had a logic behind it, right? You had a logic slash narrative. What was the logic and narrative to this trade you took? Daily IRL to euro, weekly IRL to euro. You're in the premium region. You had all these concepts, right? You had a big key level. You had a daily key level, right? Just please don't pattern trade it, bro. See, this trade you took to the downside made sense, right? If you're just gonna pattern trade it, left and right, you're gonna get losses, right? If you want to pattern trade this CRT to the downside, you're gonna lost. So please keep in mind, do not pattern trade it, bro. That's all I'm gonna say. That's all I'm gonna say. You could do whatever you want, but just don't pattern trade it, bro. That's like that. That's like the devil. You're not a pattern trader. Yeah, that's good. That's good. That's good. Because CRT offers you a lot of trades in a day. It offers you a lot of our CRT offers you a lot of trades per week, right? Like you could have like 5 to 6 trades a week, but much of them will be losses if you don't have a logic slash narrative to it, right? And make sure this week my primary goal is to post out educational content, and make sure you guys are watching that, bro. I'm going to be talking about daily ranges. I'm going to talk about range highs, ranges. We're going to be talking about typical ranges, types of ranges. We're going to be talking about a lot of that are included in CRT, which could help you with your arsenal. And MD Timing, if you're new to a CRT concept, you want to learn about daily ranges, you want to learn about ranges, you want to learn about advanced order flow, which I'm gonna post it all about this week. This week, my primary goal to post out everything that's important to CRT, which is daily ranges, typical ranges, advanced auto flows, a time frame alignment, a lot of things. Everything will be posted today. I might post some next week as well. What's good, my boy Geese Weep? Okay, market did close it below this CRT, but I don't know. I have never had this situation like this. It's kind of interesting. So let's see what's good here. At the end of the CRT, was there a legitimate high here? Was bearish. Yes, we had a 4 kilo out of the kilo. Yes, we did. It's just kind of interesting to me. I have not enough knowledge about ranges. Will you please explain? Yeah, just I'll explain it after the trading session. Just let me know after the trading session. You should trade trading session, man. You miss big moves. Yeah, bro. I see it. Trading session today, bro. You see this big ass move to the downside. Boom. Cause it doesn't match my time zone, bro. It's kind of hard for me to stay awake. If I want to do like if I want to do lunch session after not trade New York, because it's hard for me to stay awake. It's very hard, bro. It's really hard. I gotta fight with sleep, and when I don't sleep, my head game is ass. Like the way I think is no, pause on that. No Diddy, no Diddy, bro. Like the way I think when my head when I'm not sleep when I'm tired is ass. Bro, you miss a lot of trades. But I don't have a formal problem, so I don't really care about missing out the trades. If it's not in my session, I don't care about missing it out. You guys are worrying about the wrong thing, chat. Y'all don't know. I don't care about any moves. I don't care about this big ass move to the downside. I don't care about any of them. Because it's not in my session. If it's not in my session, I don't care. That's just because if I care about this move, I'm gonna start having from a problem, right? Then I'm gonna start trading in Asian, which I'm not supposed to. I'm going to start trading in non-session when I'm not supposed to, right? And gonna eventually build bad habits, right? And as you guys know, in this family that we are in right now, we focus on building good habits. We don't do bad habits. So if I'm trading Asian in London, that's building bad habits because that's not my time zone. I'm supposed to be trading, right? Because building good habits is what gets us to succeed to succession. Because what does habit lead to, right? Habit leads to good stuff or bad stuff, right? Depending on how you do it, right? So yeah, I just wanna let that know, and it might as well get us a FOMO problem, which we don't want, right? Y'all see how CRT is so efficient going to the upside downside, bro? Like it's so easy to read markets now, bro. Efficient, take profit. You can see my MD timing. When I say what's next, when I say CRT is a really good way of knowing what type of drone is gonna be. You can see right when it tapped it, guess what the market do? Started messing around again. You know what I'm saying? That's what's very important. Bro, look at GU. Weekly target hit. Daily boss is also down. Weeklies. No, it did get hit. But it got hit yet last week. Hmm. We might have SMT here, right? SMT. I hate SMT, bro. What the fuck? Well, for this to be valid, we gotta look at the monthly time frame. Is there a narrative to this? Yes, we do have a monthly fair value gap here. Is there a narrative to this on the weekly? Is there like, because we don't want to be using SMT wrong, right? We want to use it the right way because we want to be using not CRT, the SMT. You want to be using it in a way that's already in a trade idea that already exists, right? Do we have any trade idea that exists to the upside right now? Yes, we're doing a monthly fair value gap, but the CRT low has not been purged yet, and the 3-month the CRT low has not been purged yet. So we don't have a SMT here going. There's no CRT that got purged yet, so we don't know if there's any trade idea for me. But this SMT to me looks like to be a false SMT in my eyes. You guys know there was an SMT right over here as well. What the market do? Still hit it, right? I mean, this CRT did not have any meaning that it could hold, right? Why does SMT? Not CRT. I mean SMT. There was no reason for this SMT to hold. There was no pre-existing trade idea, right? We were not in. Go back to the 4-hour for that. We were not in any 4-hour. We were not in any monthly key level that could definitely hold this CRT here. Nothing there, right? Just some random one. Out of CRT. So yeah, and as you guys know, the way we trade is basically out of CRT. So there was no weekly CRT holding it off. Nothing, right? So there was no pre-existing trade idea already in it. So we would have disregarded that as our SMT there. Let's see though. Let's see, man. Let's see. On the daily, you said the daily bot's still up. Let me see what's cooking the daily bots here on a daily time frame. Daily IRL, EURL to IRL, which is, I don't see too much narrative on that. I don't trade GU, so I don't know, bro. I only use it as a SMT confirmation, but this is a higher time frame, bro. On higher time frame, we do want to get a low of this purse because, I mean, not what I want, bro. Yeah, I don't even know, man. Let's see. I'll probably look into this SMT tomorrow or next on Wednesday. Right now, I won't be looking into it because I don't got much information about SMT holding on or not. Bro, in our country, legislation happens during 2 p.m. Damn, boy. So what time is it right now? Is it like 8 p.m.? Bro, you got some bright ass time, bro. Your time is crazy, bro. That's a good. I gotta wake up at 6 a.m., bro. I gotta wake up at 6 a.m. Then I gotta be able to trade. Oh, 8 p.m. Yes, sir. Damn, boy. We do have the CRT right over here. You can see we do have the CRT already that we're already in. Market just pressed out CRT high right over here. Let's see if market gonna press out this. If it's gonna respect this, I'm looking for shorts. But today I'm looking for sells. I don't care about this weekly here. I don't care about this weekly SMT because this is GU, right? GU, as we know, market has a short term liquidity, long term liquidity. Market needs to take out the low as it go from back to the high. But you might could definitely be wrong, right? Because I'm not too good with SMT here. I may look for another video on SMT today because I'm not really well with SMT. So yeah, let's see. But if there's an SMT here, that's just telling us he might go up higher from here, right? But as you know, all I could say. My case, non-session is in the morning and New York is afternoon. Yes, sir, ski. Oh my god. Some good ass time, man. For me, in my case, non-session is at 3 a.m. in the morning. Hey. And New York is right at around like I think 8 a.m. So early in the morning. There's no SMT here, no time. Market credit CRT now early. Can we find an entry in a 5 minute? Yes, sir, bro. Yes, sir. I'm just waiting. I don't think this is the way, right? We have to trading this right over here. Wait for more information. We might tap this 4 hour CRT here as well. So I want to wait for that to get tapped into. Because it's confusing because this is my first scenario in the long ass time to having this type of scenario, right? Where the 8 a.m. candle support the the 8 a.m. is a is a middle candle. But we're good. We're good. We're looking for a 5 minute entry to the downside. Market did support the CRT high as well on the 8 a.m. candle, so we're good. Now we're green to the downside here. But we still have 49 minutes to look for a short here until the market closes above this CRT high. If once it closes above, we're looking for a 15-minute model number one to the downside. As of right now, we're not looking for model number one. We're looking for 5 minute model number one. Hey, we're in a premium region as well, so it's a good spot to sell right now. We're in a really good spot right now. We're really in a good spot because we're in a premium region of this dealing range. Oh, forgot the last important thing, chat. If you're not in here, make sure to join, man. Crypto market has been dumping recently, man. It's been crazy. It has been crazy. My coin is moving like when Bitcoin was at 20K mark, bro. Oh my god. Oh, use breaker block for entry for huge expansion day. Oh, use breaker block for entry for huge expansion day. Oh, that would be considered as a unicorn model. Yeah, unicorn model does freaking make big moves happen. Bro, when CSA creating 5 minute, I don't know, bro. I mean, we just gotta wait, man. I'm not gonna go and phone in right now. I'm gonna be patiently waiting until the market does give me some sort of entry here. But this CRT high is close to it, right? I want to see it get purged. If this can get purged and it's gonna cause SMT here, that would be fantastic. When CID gets created in 5 minute is only when the market goes below this bullish candle that are helping purge out liquidity. So in this case, would be this bullish candle. If this candle is above this candle, if this other candle closes bearish below this candle, will be considered as a CID. But that would be a tricky one, though. That would be a tricky one. I want to be waiting for more confirmation here. But if I do see it happen, I'm definitely gonna take a trade on it, right? But it's gonna be really risky. But let's see though. But we're looking for a new continuation because market could retrace over here, right? So there's retracement right over here, which is what I'm looking for. Because market realistically right now, it looks realistic for the market to go around here, right? But if it does not, we're still chilling. We're still gonna take action. But wherever we get our entry here, we're looking to enter, right? But yeah, losses are inevitable. Losses, we're always gonna have losses as long as our winners eat our losers. That's all we care about. You can see we have our hourly CID, which is 7 a.m. candle. CRT I got purged at 8 a.m. The 8 a.m. candle CRT I got purged as well, so we're looking to go down here. For 5 minute house, is that happen? Explain, please explain. So actually today I'll make a video on CISD since you need help with it as well. So today can be the first video can be about CISD, but the way it would happen if a candle closes below this candle over here. That is CISD. Basically CISD is auto block, by the way, bro. Just same thing. It's auto block, okay? It's just branding. Branding. That's all it is, right? Branding. But it's basically the same thing as auto block. The same name, the same concept, same everything is as auto block, but auto block they treat it different, right? Auto block sometimes it doesn't need to purge liquidity or fill liquidity, right? But in CISD, you either need a fill liquidity or purge liquidity. If you don't get either of them, it's not a CISD. It's a false CISD, right? In this case, what is the CISD doing in a 5-minute time frame? It's purging out the CRT high in the hourly time frame and tapping a key level and purging out a liquidity, right? This high is a liquidity right over here. This right here would be considered as a CISD, but in my eyes, I'm not taking a trade because you can see the RR is less than 2 RR, so I'm not taking this trade. We could definitely have another CISD going on here, but yeah, let's see what's good here. Yikes, he offers us less than 2 RR here, so let's see. The market closed below the previous previous bearish candle. Will it be considered CISD? Can you further explain that, bro? This candle doesn't matter. This candle does not matter. It has to be this candle because this candle is bullish, right? A order block, you want a bullish candle to push out liquidity, right? And if it's a if it's a bullish scenario, you want a bearish candle that pushes liquidity, right? And market retests a bearish candle. You enter out the, you consider as a bearish. In this case, we're looking for bearishness, right? You can see this candle pushing out liquidity. Okay, so if we had a candle closure below this, would be considered as a CISD. But in this case, I'm not taking this because of, you know what I'm saying, less than 2 RR. And other than that is, yeah, if it closed below this candle right here, would be considered a CISD. If it doesn't close below this, if it closes above the body of this candle, just the body of this candle over here, it will not be considered a CISD for me, because if you check my video on the high probability of a CISD, which would be either a full candle closure below the body and the wick, or a full candle closure above or below, like a consecutive candle, right? See, in this case, there's a consecutive candle, right? Another case would be when market closes above or below the consecutive candles, close above one of the consecutive candles, full body, right? So the body and the wick, and above the next candle, the next of the consecutive candle, they close below the body, right? So then it could be because the body can be considered as a model number 1, below the entire range of the consecutive candles. Then the body would the wick would be considered as our model number 1, right? So yeah, but don't worry today, bro. MD timing, we're gonna make a video on that today. That's gonna be my first video I'm gonna make for this week. Eventually, this whole week is gonna be primarily focused on educational concepts, right? So it's gonna be Monday through Friday. It's gonna be every day. It's gonna be a educational thing. So make sure you tune in. It's gonna be based out of CRT. It's gonna be CISD, ranges, everything like that, right? Everything that revolves around on trading that is used in the market. So yeah. And for education, yeah, no problem, man. Cause this week is no news, right? This week is kind of hectic. There's no news Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursdays. Unemployment claims is really nothing big. Friday, no news, right? But on Wednesday, there's a holiday, right? Which is the banks are not trading in, right? So we want to be careful on that day as well. But we can still trade because, as you know, As long as candle forms and kind of can print, we can trade, right? Because market doesn't care about holidays or news. It has liquidity to rebalance to and liquidity to reach on, right? So we don't really care about this news and stuff. And yeah, bro, simple as that, man. So it could be, yeah. And this week is a really slow week for the market. Hey, my goal is to make a lot of videos this week, man. 5 videos every day. No, not every day. 5 videos this week. Monday through Friday, educational. And as well, we're gonna be doing daily profile video this week as well. I'm gonna go based out of what happened that specific day and what type of profile would it be that day, and make educational content as well, and teach how to expect what type of daily profile would it be for the day. And we are trading above the opening price. Okay, so we do have open high low close concept here as well. Our entry is going to be right above the opening price, which is crazy, which is good. This week only has one rate news for USD. Yeah, bro. And that news isn't a big such a news. So yeah, let's see what's good here though. But this trade I'm not taking. So we do have open high low close concept. We want to sell above the opening price. We want to buy below the opening price, right? And we're sells, so we want to sell above the opening price. So it's very good to sell here. GU is not pushing here. Okay, GU is just holding off. There might be SMT here. Let's see. Let's see if there's gonna be SMT with this 4-hour time frame. Let's see as the market retests 50% of the order block, we took a trade. Not the 50%. It all depends. As I said, scenarios, bro. Scenarios. And today's video, gonna talk about the scenarios as well. And we're talking about the 50% entry as well. So it all depends on scenarios, bro. In this case, I'm not looking for no 50% of an order block. I'm looking for a wick, because 50%, you can see this candle is not that big. Not a bulky big candle for me to can be considered as a 50% tap. I'm looking for the scenario to be occurring there. But the scenario, if there's one of the 3 scenarios are not there, I'm not looking to do that, right? You can see a scenario would be, the way I would be doing the 50% mark would be like this, right? You can see this is a big candle right here, right? Big bulky ass candle. This case, okay, I could use a body. I could use the 50%. I could use the threshold, right? Because you can see, look, candles are big as hell, right? This candle is big, and the RR is way off, right? So if you're going for the same take profit from here, right, to down So the 50% mark, which is down right over here, 2.9 RR, 1.7 RR, right? Difference is very, matters a lot, right? So it all depends on scenarios, right? In this case, I'm not looking for no 50% retrace. I'm not retrace, 50% tab, right? I'm not looking for a threshold. This would be a 5.8 RR. In this case, this would be a what? 3.8 RR, right? So a whole 2 pip difference. So yeah, in that case, it would have been the body. In this case, would have been the. In that case, would have been the threshold. In this case, would have been no. I don't even know what it's gonna be. Because it's probably not gonna be true. So let's see here. Oh my god. Oh. What will you do for educational content, live or recorded video? Recorded video. Actually, yo, Chad, do you guys want me to do a free bootcamp? Do you guys want a free bootcamp on CRT? I might do a CRT bootcamp, right? So every day for like at least 30 days until I post out every concept that there is. I'll post every concept and eventually talk about it, eventually make a bootcamp. Hey, if you guys want that, let me know, bro. Let me know. If you guys want it, I'll make it, bro. Hey, I love doing this, so I'll definitely be doing it, bro. Free, like no paid, nothing. Free. We're gonna be going a lot of over a lot of things. I mean, we'll be going over market profiles, normal, by the way, normal market profiles, advanced market profiles, right? Market profiles. We're gonna be going over daily profile, weekly profiles, advanced order flow, a lot of things that are related to trading, and we're gonna be going over open, high, low, close, open, low, high, close, over a lot of things. It might take 30 days for me to finish a bootcamp though, because every day I'm gonna be posting. I might even post some like psychology in the bootcamp. And yeah, actually, if you guys really want it, hey, let me know. If you guys want if you guys want a bootcamp on how to, on bootcamp on CRT, which is basically CRT. It's not gonna be mainly CRT. It's gonna be ranges, right? It's gonna be market profiles, market advanced profiles, daily profiles, weekly profiles, auto flow, open, high, low, close, open, low, high, close, ranges, typical ranges, time ranges, seasonal tendencies. I'm not gonna do that because I'm not a swing trader. Seasonal tendency, IP day tendencies, right? A lot of things. Drawn liquidity, short-term drawn liquidity, long-term drawn liquidity, all of that crazy shit, right? If you guys want it, man, let me know, man. We'll spice it up. Actually, that's gonna happen next year. The January 1st is gonna be the first day of me doing the bootcamp. Right now, it's gonna be like random for this week. It's gonna be random videos, but on January 1st, 2025, that's when the bootcamp starts. That's when I'll be posting a lot of. I'm gonna be making a bootcamp. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Yeah, let's do it. Yeah, I got you, man. I got y'all. January 2021. I mean, no, 2025. My angles are kind of messed up. And I'll try to gather more members to it. It's because it's free. I'm saying, well, who don't want something for free? So when I paid for my formation, when I did my formation, I paid for it, right? Will you have to pay for it? Hell no. I ain't doing no pay shit, man. I don't do paid stuff right now. I ain't, hell no. The only way I would ever do a pay stuff, it would be a mastermind. Right now, fuck no. Even if I do, even if I do like a cooking ass, boot camp, I ain't never paying. I'm not gonna make you guys pay for that shit, bro. Because informations are free, man. I'm not gonna go and gatekeep, be like, oh, you have to pay me for this shit. Hell no. You can have that shit for free. 2021, yeah. Oh my god, bro. See, I'm not taking it straight because market closed below the body of this candle, which I don't want it as a model number one. I mean, unless market closes below the whole candle here. We tap this candle right over here. I'm not looking for trade, but even if it closes below this offers me less than 2 RR, so I'm not taking it. Actually, yeah, I'll definitely do the boot camp. Yeah, I got a whole schedule for the boot camp, going over everything. And actually, on the boot camp, I will do trade recaps on it as well. Post some of my trade recaps and integrating all the concept that I teach and giving into the concepts, right? I want the for ViGap trader. Hey man, you gotta stop looking, you gotta stop saying what I want, right? It's not what you want, it's what the market wants to do, right? Like respectfully, right? You know what I'm saying? Gotta give it advice out. It's not what you want in the market, it's what the market gonna do by himself, right? You don't tell the market what to do. You either take the market's offer or you don't, right? The market is offering you entry right over here, somewhere around here. You don't take it, okay. You preserve your capital. If you do take it, okay, you might risk capital, you might lose capital, you might make money, right? But you don't tell, I want this in the market, I want that to happen in the market, right? You don't tell that. You just go based out of what market, you know what I'm saying, wants to do, not what you want to do. But we do have this weekly CRT here. Well, I mean, not weekly CRT. We do have this weekly SMT here. So let's see what's good with that, because man, this is such a high time frame. So a high time frame CRT like that, SMT like that, not SMT, I mean SMT like that is kind of dangerous, right? Because as you know, I don't trade GU, so I'm still looking for that sell to the downside. I will not trade until it taps that. Hey, bro, good luck, man. Hey, you're following your rules now, right? Yes, sir, ski. That's good. That's good. That's good. But chat, I'm not taking a trade because it offers me less 2 RR, so that's all I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna be in the sidelines. I'm gonna wait until this plays out. You will take the trade? Yes, sir, ski, man. Hopefully you win, man. Hopefully you win. I'm just waiting until I get a higher RR, but which this is not offering me. Do we have any extended take profits here that can go for a higher RR? Hell no, we have nothing here. Yeah, I'm not taking this trade at all. I thought those were SMT with the kilo over here, but never mind. So you're gonna target the 4 for ViGap? Hey man, good luck to it, bro. Because the market is definitely gonna be going over actually, yeah, ERL to IRL. That could be a good take profit, but I go based out of CRT ranges and that's it. IRL, ERL, I don't really look into it as a way to go to take profit from my intraday trading, but ranges I definitely do because I love ranges, man. Easy to take profit to go for. Bro, you can place a pending sell order from the body of the order block. You will get more than 2 RR. I mean, in my rules it says if what I'm looking for, right? If this, like, so let's just say in this case I'm looking for the body, right? I'm looking for not for the body. I'm looking for the wick, right? The wick has to offer me a 2 RR or above. If the wick does not offer me a 2 RR or above, I can't take it. I gotta say what my rule says, right? I can't be like, okay, what if the market goes around here, taps that bottom, I can look for a short. It's not about that. It's about the initial what I'm looking for, right? In this case, I'm looking for not a body. I'm looking for a wick, right? So the wick has to offer me a 2 RR. And I don't care about this trade going upside or downside. I'm not gonna FOMO in, right? I mean, I'm gonna wait for the right time to get into the trade. Even the right time, if I do get in the right time of the trade, I'm gonna have a loss, right? So yeah, in this case, I'm not taking this because less than 2 RR. So yeah, and the reason I'm using the wick and not the body of this candle, although we did have a body closure, market never tapped the body, right? Market just went to blow the wick as well. So this candle right over here, we don't really care about because of that. Yeah, let's see what's good here. I mean, the selling price is above the opening price. You can see open right over here, which is where open opening price is right over here. So selling above the opening price is really good. So this entry should be a nice entry for us as well. But less than 2 RR, I'm not taking it. As you guys know, man, I'm not here hungry for money, man. As you guys know, every problem, every mistake you ever make always resolves around what? Money, right? If I take the trade, but I'm breaking my rules, but I'm not getting a 2 RR, even if I go for a body in the hit TP, right? But I'm breaking my rules. I'm always greedy for money, right? In my case, I don't care about money right now. I've made so much fucking money, I don't even care about it, right, chat? What's the hard time frame for the trade? Weekly IRL to ERL, weekly share to the downside, daily IRL to ERL, and 4 hour. We're selling in the premium region, right? Market price at the low, price at the high, premium discount. Market, we're selling their premium. Another narrative to it. We're in a delayed protection profile. The agency making a high day. New York continuation, right? And that's the high tariff into it. Nothing else. You can see how buys. You can see how slugs are smooth. They're smooth as hell because we're in premium region, bro. You can see how the buys are struggling to go up, right? While the sells are just going smooth way to the downside, while buys are just struggling, right? So that matters as well. And I might make as well a motivational video as well. I'm not a motivational like a thing where you can help you guys, fix your mistakes. Because what I notice, right, it's not only me, it's a lot of people, right? When they what I notice is that every time I make a mistake, last week I made one mistake. What was the mistake? I traded the day before a high major news, right? Which was FOMC, right? That means I was greedy to make money, right? That means I wanted to make money, right? So intentionally, when I wanted to make money, I lost money, right? So during that time, the mistake I made costed me money, and that was the reason that led me to make a mistake because we traded the day before a high major news, right? So I didn't take that. I shouldn't have not traded it because I was greedy for money, right? The week beforehand as well, I was greedy for money because my order block was actually wrong, right? It did the body instead of the wick, so that thing was exponentially wrong as well, right? So that's why it matters so much that you guys stop making these mistakes. And as you guys know, every mistake you make, if I take a trade off from that 2 RR, I'm making a mistake, and that mistake is what? Money, right? Greedy. I want to make money, which is not my case. And the one way, because you guys could stop preventing, like you guys could stop being greedy, is by having a lot of money in your hand, bro. I had 8,700 in my hand, just playing with it, right? Eventually, I gave it away, but that helped me stop being greedy a lot, right? I was like, oh, I can make hella bread, bro. You know what I'm saying? And that 8,700, I didn't get for the bank. I didn't get from there. I hustled and got it, right? So it was a hard earned money that I had in my hands, right? So okay, I could definitely do this the correct way. So that way I got it was not a good way. So okay, so I'm not gonna talk about that. It was crazy. It was a crazy story, right? So let me stop there before the cops get on me. I was like, damn, I could definitely like 8,000 hard-earned money. It took me less than a day to make that, bro. It took me, I think, 5 hours, bro. I was like, bro, like 8,000 now that like during that Pacific time chat, when I was holding my money, right? I was like, I didn't feel no emotion. I was like cold, right? I'm not trying to be like, oh, I'm a Sigma or anything like that, right? That's the corniest thing, craziest thing, right? But during that Pacific time, I didn't feel no emotion, right? So I was like, damn, I could be making this hella, right? I could be making hella bread, right? Without feeling any emotion. Eventually, when I came to trading, that was before I came to trade, right? When I came to trading, when I made mistakes, I did have some greedy problem, some money problem, right? Eventually, I learned that. I eventually got over it quick, right? I wasn't stuck in that greedy slash money problem. I got over it quick because I've already made so much money, right? So that money I make from this wouldn't really matter to me as much. Because like to me, money doesn't really affect me anymore. You know what I'm saying? That's a good thing, right? Good thing I experienced that. And guess what? All the money I had from that thing is gone, bro. Every single penny of it is gone. How many trades you took previous week? I only took two trades. One of them were a loss, but the loss was a mistake, right? I made a mistake last week. So, but if I'm talking about the actual trade I took last week, I only took one trade and it was a 3.5 RR. I think 3.6, right? But with my extended take profit that I missed, that I forgot to set up, it would be in a 4.4 RR. So yeah, I'm focusing on higher probability rather than lower probability, right? But yeah, my actual trades actually, if I'm not on, I'm gonna be talking about the actual I'm not gonna be talking about mistakes, but the real ones. Only one trade last week without having mistakes. But yeah, this past I think 2 weeks I'm up. No, this past 3 weeks I'm up 7 RR. Two losses, two wins, and two wins are what, a 6 RR, 6.7 RR, and a 3.5. But if I'm talking about the real one, I think it was a 4.5. Because I'm trying to focus on the higher probability rather than the lower one, right? But this was considered to me, it's considered like a lower probability setup, so it shouldn't be. It could definitely work out, right? But the chance of it working out is lower because that the range is not a big ass range, right? The range is not too big, right? Because as you guys know, my win rate is 40%. It's not that much, right? But my RR is a lot, right? So that's why I focus on like really high probability trades. So even if I lose the next 6 trades, I'm still gonna be in profits because I'm gonna be up 1 RR, right? That's why it matters so much for you to. I'm saying because the reason I'm saying I'm gonna be up 1 RR because losing 6 trades, so that means negative 6 RR. But even the two mistakes I didn't make. Hey, the two mistakes I made that which cost me 2 RR. I could have, even if I lose the next 6 RR, I'm gonna be up. I think another like 3 RR. So yeah, bro. Many trader use 3 to 4 or 5 indicators at a time to take a trade. That's funny. Yeah, bro. It's crazy, bro. The only indicator I use is this right here. This indicator is actually used for chat. This is very useful because the open high low close concept, right? Which this one helps you with open high low close concept. This one right here helps you with around with as well. The only reason I look for this is like it helps me like look at the higher time frame without me going to the higher time frame. I don't have to go to the 4 hour time frame. Look like how the 4 hour, right? This kind of helps me out, right? It's looking good. It's looking good. Let's see what's good here, though. This setup right here to me does look like a good setter. Good setup. I use indicators to indicate sessions. Oh yes, sir. But I don't use that. I think that I had indicators like that, but that indicator did not work out well for me, bro. It would piss me off, bro. I would be like, bro, why is this wrong? It's like you would make me draw some random lines that I really want, right? It would mess up the way I do my technical analysis because I would look at that box. I would go, that's what do you call it, key level. So now let me look for a short or a long. Eventually I got stop loss, right? I'm like, what the fuck? Yeah, and you can see why. You can see how my colors are really bright, right? You can see how they're not dark, which removes a lot of fucking emotions. But what indicators are you using? I'm using a ICT high time frame candles fatty. That's the indicator below. Oh, looking good. It's straight looking good. And my boy, MB Timing, just to let you know, this is right here is your today's fucking video, which is I'm gonna upload a whole video right about this, but this right here is your CISD. You can see market tap it down, right? But the way you would know more advanced into this would be like this, right? You would have gone a 15-minute time frame, market open, straight away went to a reversal, expansion, reversal, retracement, expansion, retracement, expansion, reversal, no, retracement, expansion, eventually reversal from your end, another retracement, another expansion, tapping another key level, so another reversal back to the downside, because this part of here cannot be considered a retracement. It's a reversal. Eventually another expansion, then another reversal because you tap a key level. Eventually from here on in, look for sells here, right? And you can use a 5-minute as well. Market opened, expansion, reversal here. Boom. This has to hit my TP. Hey man, you never know, bro. Probabilities, man. Probabilities. Even the best trades can go in a loss, man. Even the best trades can go in a loss. Even the worst trade that I have, let's just say I have a 2RR, right? But the pricing is bad. You could hit TP. Even the best trades, you could potentially be the best trade I've ever seen. You could hit a stop loss, right? Stop loss, right? I don't go in a market to be like, oh, this should be hitting TP. This should be doing this, right? I go based out of what? I go based out of probabilities. I go based out of 50-50. Not 50-50, but you know what I'm saying? As you know, RR is king. Yeah, man. Make sure you guys join our Discord if you guys are sending a giveaway. I mean, I don't know who's participating in the giveaway because nobody's sharing their trade they took, right, and giving us a reason to the trade. So nobody participating, right? If you want to, if God damn, if anyone wants to participate, hey, you can make a free $50 right here, man. Free $50. Or else nobody wins, man. Or else I'm gonna have to keep my money. Free money. The giveaway ends in 12/28/2024. How can I join your giveaway? Oh, you have to be in my Discord. Join my Discord. Eventually, go to my announcement and eventually read the rules of the thing, and eventually just post your trades that you took during that specific time of the giveaway time. Eventually, just share it. Give us our logical reasoning. It could be a demo as well, and yeah, you might. And it all depends. I'm not gonna be doing a random winner. It's gonna be a specific winner who actually does their work. Who actually, you know, what I'm saying, gonna show proof, right? Like I'm done for the day. I'm not looking for nothing here. Because my entry already happened, right? So my entry happened. I'm looking for I'm looking for a 2RR, which I didn't get. So I'm not looking for no more trades. So this right over here is considered my trade for the day, which did not take because less than 2RR. You just post out trades and the reason, yes sir, and the narrative to it, why he took it, you know, what led up to the trade, you know what I'm saying? You're in a trade, yes sir, man. Yeah, man. You can just look at the thing and just post it on, man. I know $50 not that much for some of you guys, but hey man, it's just free. Cause everything I want right now, bro, cost me thousands of fucking dollars, bro. Everything I want right now costs me thousands of fucking dollars out of nowhere, man. So let's see what's cooking here, though. Let's see what's cooking here. So let's see what's cooking here, though, chat. We're just waiting, man. Waiting. I'm done, man. Just waiting. Yeah. Let's see what's cooking here, though. Market ain't doing shit right now, man. Pushing back up. Okay, pushing back above the opening price. But reflecting out of this CISD, which is the model number 1. So let's see what's cooking here, though. So let's see here. Let's see what's good here. Right when we go below this price strategy, we should get a dump here. We should get a dump. Just like last time. So all we gotta do, man, just wait and watch the market. Oh my god. Bro, I went to Twitter today, chat, and I saw Twitter. They said they're not taking a trade a whole week, bro. They said we're not taking a trade a whole week. I was like, bro, why, bro? Holiday? What the fuck does the holiday gotta do with the market? What is the holiday gonna do with the market moving? Can I share the setup that I'm in right now? Yeah, bro. Any fucking setup. It doesn't matter, bro. It could even be a support and resistance setup, bro. I don't give a shit. Cause this giveaway is not. It's meant to be like a giveaway, like a. It's not meant to be like for me to give away free money. It's meant to be for like a way to get you pumped up for the next year, right? Where you can get, you know, saying, if you read the announcements, you will know yourself, brother. It's like it's meant for you to be better, right? It's meant for you to make 2025 your year, right? You know what I'm saying? It's not meant to be like a giveaway. It's meant to be like to get you set up, like to get you pre-prepared for 2025. Because we have what, another 7 days for 2025 to get in, right? So it's meant to get you pumped up for. It's meant to get you like a pre-prepared 2025. In Disco chat, yeah, yes sir, bro, yes sir, ski. But yeah, man. It's directly meant for you guys. It's directly meant for you guys to get in better and seek help. You know what I'm saying? The help part is the most important part, right? Because a lot of people would make the same mistake over and over and over and over. I would never learn, right? They will never learn from their mistakes, and you know what I'm saying? If you will never learn from mistakes, you're gonna fucking go on an endless route with never fucking make it out of trading, because you're gonna be unprofitable the rest of your life. So that's why it's very important for you to go and seek help. So, because some people will know your mistakes that you don't know, right? If you have a mistake you're having, somebody else could know how to fix it instantly. So without you wasting your the next 4 or 5 fucking months, you would just tell somebody else to fix it in the next day or so, the next hour or so, right? And help you fix those mistakes, right? Without you wasting years of fucking lifetimes, months of your lifespan making that fucking dumbass mistake. Every time you said you're 16, yeah, man, that's good age, brother. I know a trader who's fucking 12, bro. He's fucking, oh my god, bro. Funny as hell, bro. His dad's rich, right? And I went to his house, right? And I was saying we both are traders, right? So I went to his house. I just talked to him, right? Because I know his dad. I know his dad for like a long time. He's such an emotional fucking trader, bro. He's funny as hell, bro. Like he got like that dad money, right? So he just be like buying funny accounts, just food party, right? Fucking arrogant ass hell as well, bro. He does not fucking listen, bro. Because you guys know some kids that don't listen, they're so arrogant, right? Like ignorant, not ignorant or arrogant. They won't listen. I was like, bro, do this. No, he said no. Just goes by his phone and fucking bro. He's been trading for the past, I think, couple months now. I think like 6 months. But the first day he started, he bought a funded account, bro. Eventually, he fucking every day, bro. I don't know how the fuck he's gonna almost keep on doing that without learning, bro. Salam, bro. What's good? Walaikum assalam, brother. How you doing, Tahir Mustafa? I like your name, man. Tahir. You have my friend's name, brother. But that's name. That reminds me of the movie. I guess on the Zimba movie. That Zimba. I think that's the movie name, right? Zimba, or something like that. You're good, bro. Yes, sir. Ski. Al Mubarak, man. Just waiting for this market to start moving here. Let's see. We're still above the opening price, which is great. But I'm not in this trade because of this fucking RR. And my boy, I mean, mid-T timing. If you're starting to trade, if you're starting this live stream, right, you can see why. If you would have entered out the body, you would have not been in a trade, right? So why it matters the most, right? I share my setup. Guys, share too. Yes, sir, man. Yeah, man. Seneca. I'm just waiting for something. You said neural continuation 8 a.m. CRT. Following CSD and target AM. Make sure you give you a high time frame buys as well. So if you want to give a full depth income, right? Want to give you a high time frame narrative as well, which is very easy. We know the high time frame narrative is fucking bearish. Weekly IRL to EURL, daily IRL to EURL, right? It's simple as that. Because I'm not doing this like, oh, you have to do this specific thing. But if you do get an environment where you have to share your stuff, right, you know, you can be pre-prepared, right? If you go to different somewhere like a job interview, right? And they want you to share your trades. Like, oh, I've already traded. You can share it professionally, right? So you get you pre-prepared. But if we do get a candle closure below this low, we should definitely get a rip here. This is a little bit prepared. Like this low right here, close above it. But let's see if we can get a candle closure below it. Let's see if we can get a run on liquidity. See, I'm not gonna have a FOMO problem here. I mean, this is not gonna lead me to a FOMO problem. I don't care. That's not my setup. I'm not supposed to be taking. Today I'm working on my discipline. I did not take a trade. Yes, sir, ski man. Okay. That's good. What type of discipline, bro? Why you not take a trade? What was the discipline problem? That you were trading on a holiday or something today? Today's not even a holiday. Today the banks are trading today, I think. Yeah, they're trading today. They're not trading on Wednesday. One other thing, the reason I'm not taking these trades, chat, that are offering less than 2 RR, because I have 150K in funding, right? So I'm making 1.5K. I mean, I don't make that as always, right? I make it, I sometimes I de-risk, right? But I make 1.5K per trade, right? So it's important for me to stop taking random trades because it might cause my fucking funding to get fucked up, you know what I'm saying? My overall target is 34, 30, those equal lows. Equal lows, which one, brother? Let me see. Hourly time frame, equal lows. These lows, right? These are not equal though. This already got 34, 34, 30. These are not. I mean, these to me are not equal lows. They got equal purged. You were anticipating a pullback towards CE of the daily range, but failed to. What is a pullback to CE? What is the CE? I mean, on a daily range, you're already here, bro. You're already in the daily range. You're in premium, bro. In the premium range, you're in a premium, so it's a good spot to sell. I don't know why you're talking about a CE. I don't know what that is. This is why I hate ICT, man. He be teaching us some stuff that are not even proven. Oh. Free signal right here that I take. This is why I like CRT, man. CRT is cheat code to the market, man. Cheat code. Who took the trade, chat? Who took the trade? I mean, I know. I think a lot of people were joining this live stream as well. So let's see. I personally did not take it because less than 2 RR. But let me know, man. Blood. But it ain't one. No. Told you guys, man. Right when they close below this candle, we're gonna get a rip. It's going to get a rippy. CE is like a big weak health. CE of the range. Oh, so you're looking for a pullback of this range. 50% mark. I don't see any CE here though. I don't see any big wick health. I mean, it was already in a CE here, right? It's already above the 50% mark. So it's a good spot to sell. I mean, there is no ranges here though. There's no legitimate range here because there ain't no range high got pressure nor the low got pressure, right? So I don't know if there's any range, but there is a dealing range here. Dealing range. Because when you're talking about dealing range means This right over here, premium and discount. This is discount. This is premium. Blood man. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Blood man. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Ooh. Na 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 na. What the fuck is happening here, man? See, easy day, easy free, easy day, man. We just have to show up, look at the market for an hour or two. That's it. We just stay in the market for an hour only, man. I think an hour like or two. It's because you just need to stay in the market for an hour and two, and you're chilling. This could be it. This should be it. I'm done. I'm done for the day here. Hey, the educational video will be later today around 3 p.m. probably 3 to 2 p.m. somewhere around that time. But yeah, I'm done. I'm gonna go eat food, man. I haven't ate food yet, but yeah, man. Just woke up straight to the charts. No, I didn't. I didn't. Hey, today. Hey, today. Last week, my goal was to wake up early in the morning. Right. This today. Guess what time I woke up today, chat. I woke up at 5:30 in the morning. Not even 5:30 in the morning. 5:13 in the morning. I was not gonna let that loss. I was not lost. I was not gonna let that happen again. You know what I'm saying. So I woke up at 5:13 a.m. in the morning. You know what I'm saying, chat? I'm happy. Satisfied. Not happy, but I'm satisfied. You know what I'm saying? Satisfaction. 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 I need to get a haircut, man. Damn. Chat. The reason my hair looks like this is because I don't put lotion on it right now. The only way, I mean, I'm not doing anything, so there's no need for me to put lotion, right? But without lotion, chat, when I don't put lotion in my hair, bro, my hair looks like a fucking. I look like I'm homeless, man, bro. Chat, I look like I'm a homeless man without lotion. Cause lotion makes my hair like more textured and like more cooler, but without that shit, bro, I look like a fucking gay retarded, bro. Gay retard homeless man. Oh my god, bro. God. Damn. EP smash. Yeah. Yeah. Oh yeah, well, I forgot my brother. My boy MD Timing. If you're in the stream, I could help you with the thing. Cause now I'm done for the session. I'm done with my training session. Says here. It says here. I'll go. I'll target. We're done for the day. Now we could do some questions you guys got. My boy. I forgot what was your name. My boy MD Timing said that you were here a question about something, right? About a range. You were. What the fuck? What was a name to it? What was the question? Forgot. Like what are ranges? Damn, I forgot about it. Yeah, I fucking forgot. Speak ahead, yeah. Not taking this shit. I'm not taking it. Let's go over why we're not taking it. Let's go over why we're not taking it, okay? Let me go over why we're not taking it. Let me go over why I'm not taking it. Let me go over why I'm not taking it, bro. Let me go over why I'm not taking it. Wait, where's the picture of it? See. Let's go over why I did not take it. Let's go in a deep, in-depth explanation. Do I have do I have the thing here, the picture of it? I have the fucking picture, man. What the fuck? Where's the picture? Where is the picture? Crypto Daily News free. No, I don't have it. Wait, I could just post it on Discord and just look it from right here. Let me show you guys. Let me show you guys why we don't take it. Let me cook. UTH was like the best investment I actually made, chat. UTH is. Let me show you guys. Well, I think I could just take a picture of this, right? Just copy image and just post it here. Blood. We got it. We got it. Let's go over why I did not take it. All right. Whoa. Wow, why is the market there? Go over somewhere the market is not there. Oops. Right over here. Okay, chat. Why? Let's go over why I did not take it. Rick's to Rod and win rate cheat sheet. The top here is your win rate. Risk to reward ratio. If my RR is a 2, if my win rate is 40%, which is I'm right over here, and I'm going for a 1 RR, it has to be a 1 RR above. It cannot be 1.5. I don't care about 1.5. I don't care about either 1 RR or 2 RR above, right? I don't care about the fixed concept. You know what I'm saying? If I have 40%, I'm going with 1 RR, I'm unprofitable. So that's why I go for a 2 RR. You know what I'm saying? If I have a 30%, but I'm going for a 1.3 RR, I'm profitable. But in this case, I don't have a 30% rate. I have a 40% rate. I have a 40% win rate. That's why I'm going for a 2 RR, right? And if I had a 30% win rate, I'm going for a 3 RR, right? This is why I reduced my RR, right? But I would, because my main take profit has to have a 2 RR. But if it's more than 2 RR, okay, I'm taking it, right? But anything in between 2 RR, I'm taking it, right? But anything below it, no. Because I have 40% win rate, so I'm going to loss if I don't, in the long term, right? And that's the reason I did not take it. Can you explain more about your last post on Discord? Give it everything. Yes, sir, Ski. I got you, man. What post? The announcement? Oh, yes, sir. I said that. It is a very important one as well. Very, very nice. He's like hey, chat. That thing I'm posting on Discord right now. All of these are like, what the fuck? What the fuck? Like all of this, can you guys see it? Wait, let me see if you guys see it. Yeah, you guys can see it. Yeah, it's got a different chat right here, right? On this, I said to be one of the top, to be in a 1%, you gotta give it everything, and I mean everything. Just a matter of time, you'll be served, right? These are meant to be for like a way to, occasionally I'll give you guys some, some motivation type shit. You feel me? But this, and keep in mind, some of these words, I'm not gonna be a fucking guy like, oh, it's for me, it's for me. Some of them are not for me, right? This one's for me, right? This is for me. these, some of them are not for me, right? I just get it from somebody else, right? I think it could match mine. I think it could match the way I could, the where we are right now, and I could, I think it's important where we're at right now. So saying these words, saying these right over here is very important as well, right? So this one right over here is not mine, right? But these two, I think this one is mine. I don't know. I'm not sure. But the writing is not mine, by the way. Just to let you guys know, because you guys know my writing is way asser. But let's go over what I mean by it to be the 1%. You gotta give it everything, and I mean everything, right? What this means, you just gotta lock in, bro. You gotta be like, saying, you gotta get serious, right? You gotta stop making mistakes. You gotta get to the point where you don't, where you stop having the greed problem, right? But just a matter of time, you will be served, right? So over time, once you show consistency, once you're disciplined and everything that's good, going good, eventually the market can reward you, right? Because market rewards the one that do good, right? That are building good habits, right? In this case, if you're doing everything, that means if you're giving everything and you're doing all the rules, you're locked in. Eventually, it's just a matter of time. Market will just reward you with wins and losses, but the losses are going to be good losses. The wins are going to be good losses, right? Good wins. So that's what I mean by that, brother. And we can go over the next one right here, right over here. The next one, it says, analyze what went wrong. Was it the emotional, technical, strategic, or impatience, right? Just set the rules to prevent it from happening again. This is relevant, right? How come this is relevant? And this is right here. That's not my wording, by the way. But how come it's relevant, right? Because this is happening right now during time. Right now, we were facing, not only me, a lot of people are, right? This is happening right now, right? So this is relevant for me to talk about this, right? So, and then that's what went wrong. Was it an emotional problem? Was it a technical problem? Was it a strategy problem? Or was it just impatience? Were we just like impatient about, just hungry to get into the market and being, greedy? Having a FOMO problem. And I said, set rules to prevent it from happening again. Automate where you can. So discipline becomes a habit, right? Don't dwell on the mistake. Focus on a better process, right? That means, you guys know how you guys focus on the process, not the outcome. This is telling us to, be better at it, right? Be better about the process, not the outcome, right? Trading is not about just being perfect. It's about eliminating what holds you back. Each mistake you make, and each mistake you remove. Each mistake you make are gonna, decreases your edge, right? But each mistake you remove sharpens your edge, right? Which makes you better. Because let's talk. This is right over here, really relevant, right? It's really relevant, right? Let's just say two persons, right? Let's just go back to the chart right here. To go back in the chart is very important, right? Let me go put the chart back here. Let's just say two person, right? There's two person that made the same amount, right? So let's just say one person took 4 trades, but only ended up on a $2 loss, right? And a $200 win, right? But another person took 2 trades, 1 loss, 1 win. And the first trade he had a negative 1 RR. The next trade he had a 3 RR, right? So he had a strategy and everything, right? But they both end up in the same way, the same type of money, right? Would you want to be the person who took 3 or 4 trades just to end up on a 2 RR, but you want to take what? A 1 RR, 1 RR, 1 RR, 2, so 2 losses, 2 wins, right? Actually, no, that would be different, right? It would be 2 losses. It would be more than 2 RR, right? So let's just say you're taking like 6 trades, and another guy's taking 2, and you still end up in the same profit. You want to be the guy who takes more trades, you want to be the guy who takes less trades but more probability, but takes more higher RR, right? So that the guy I'm talking about who has 40%, he's taking trades that are offering him a 2 RR above, or or would you rather be the person who takes, who has a 40% as well, but take 1 RR, 1 RR, 1 RR, eventually, you know what 1 RR leads to, right? 1 RR is unprofitable, right? So you're in a loss. So eventually he does end up in a loss. Let's just say market grants some victory. He will eventually end up in the same profit goal as him, right? Which was $200, right? But he took more trades, had more losses. Eventually in the long term, having those losses are not going to be a great thing because they're gonna backlash at you and it's gonna fuck you up in the long term, right? But this right over here is very important if you guys really want to make this. And in a boot camp, we're gonna be talking about that. In a boot camp in 2025, we're gonna be talking about that video right over there. And the boot camp is gonna be fine. It's gonna be fire. I said I'm gonna make a video on today as well. I'll make a boot camp on to start off the year, right? 2025, my big year. Actually, I'm gonna set up as a goal. I'm gonna set that as a goal for my next year as well. I'm gonna set up that as a goal for the next year to set up a boot camp. I want to do it. You know what I'm saying? 2025 yearly goal. My goal is to make 1 million funding, and my goal is to make a boot camp. Right over there. And voila, making a Discord here. I mean, not making a Discord. I mean, we're making a thing here. But let me do my thing. We're done for the day. You can see, hit TP. We're finished. We're done for the day. We're gone. Wait, was I gonna talk about something here? Oh, I mean, yeah. For that, gonna be later on, right? But yeah. Let me go delete these files. I have so much fucking files, bro. Oh, actually, I have no files. I've already deleted all of them. This is my market recap of no trades taken 12/23/2024. The date stamp of this trade. Let's go over the trade I did not take. This offered me a setup. It hit TP. I did not take it. Offered less than 2 RR, right? You can see 1.8 RR. Anything that's below the 2 RR mark, I'm not taking it, right? So now let's go to the narrative that built up to the trade. And yeah, I just gave you guys a reason why I did not take it because that's a 2 RR. But it was a good trade. We had a good narrative to it. Right? Let's go to the weekly. Weekly IRL to ERL. You can see IRL to ERL. Weekly CRT to the downside. Daily IRL to ERL. 4 hour in the premium. We're in the premium, so it's good to sell. When that's coming, good to buy, right? So premium want to sell it, right? We had our hourly kilo. We were looking for a near continuation. You can see market they close below that. So right when you close below this candle right here, that's considered a near continuation. Now market go above, it doesn't really matter because we already had a new continuation here. We had a delay position profile, and we had a new continuation. The hourly time frame, we had an hourly CRT right over here. You can see hourly CRT. Market had an hourly key level. Where's the hourly key level? Market the 5 minute after pressing it out, and he tapped key level right. This candle right over here. This candle helped it press out this liquidity, and eventually market closed below it. It closed below the body, right? But the body did not get tapped. Next candle closed below the whole candle. Eventually, it would still be valid, considered as valid, right? Eventually, market tapped it. It would have been there, and TP would have been here, but it goes less than the 2 RR, which I'm not taking because anything below a 2 RR, I'm not taking it. 1.9, I don't care. 1.8, I don't care. Anything below 2 RR, I'm not taking it. But yeah, this is my trade recap. Thank you for watching. Not trade recap, I mean market recap. Hit my goal, right? There's no reason for me to stay in the market anymore. It's literally right when this model 1 got created, there was literally no reason for me to stay in the market because this model 1 was now for me the setup I was now for me that RR looking for, right? So I avoided the setup, but it was a good setup, right? You could see it did deliver. Everything was fine, and the market overflow as well. We're in a reversal phase. So basically, market reverse from here on end, close below, retrace, expansion, right? Retracement, expansion, reversal, retracement, expansion, right? It's simple as that. But yeah, thank you for watching. I'll see you guys later. Join the Discord if you haven't, and look in the description below. Thank you for watching. Peace out. All right, chat. I see you guys.